Hey guys, it's Emmy. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using all C'est Moi products. C'est Moi was super nice and they sent me a huge box of products. So I'm going to be doing a nice natural glowy type of look today because that's kind of more along the lines of what I like to wear. Let's go ahead and get on to the tutorial. Today I'm not going to be doing any foundation or concealer or any of that cakey type of stuff because we're gonna just be natural today. So, starting off, I'm gonna be using the Aspiring palette. This is like a cheek and blush palette. I don't really usually wear blush, but I'll just put some on. I'm using this color called Charisma, just applying it to the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be using this highlighter color called Spotlight. Just applying that to my cheekbones for a nice natural glowing from within look. Okay, next moving on to the eyes, I'm using the C'est Moi Envision palette. Ooh, we have some shimmers, some mattes, and just very nice natural colors. So first I'm going to be using this color right here called Peace. I always just like to put down like a light base before I start any looks. And I don't really know if it does anything, but it's kind of just what I'm used to, so. Next, I'm going to use this color right here called Savvy. Just a basic matte brown shade. I'm putting this into my crease and the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm taking this purple color called Compassion. Nice, pretty plummy type of color. And I'm putting this also in the crease. Some more color. Lastly, to finish off the eyes, I'm taking this shimmery color right here called Grace, and I'm putting that onto my lids. The last and final step for the eyes is some mascara. I'm using the C'est Moi Muse mascara. I've actually used this before and it's quite good. It's a good one. Yes. And I would do eyeliner, but I'm kind of going for a more natural look, so I'm not going to do that. But I will show you the eyeliner just so you can see how it works. It's a pencil eyeliner and it's actually very pigmented and creamy. And lastly, to finish off the look, some lips. I'm going to use this lip crayon. It's in the color Vivid. I'm just going to do a very light of this. I kind of just want the pinkiness, and I'll also do a quick swatch for this one because I didn't really put much on, so you can't really tell, but it's a really nice creamy, oh my gosh, super vibrant red. And finally, I'm going to finish off the look with some lip gloss. This is a nice good solid lip gloss to have. It's called Reflect and it's just really nice natural feeling. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky, and it's just a nice light natural lip gloss. And this is my finished look. It's pretty natural and pretty subtle, but this is what it looks like. I highly suggest you guys go check out the brand C'est Moi. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Gen Z Experiment down below to see more weekly videos. Bye!